Maintainer needed a program that would be able to integrate from the ERP system that we currently use with the CAD system that our engineers use, and we also needed to provide a user-friendly interface to the sales department so that we could build the cornerstone and the beginning of our automation process. Our training went so much more in depth than what I was expecting. Our team would just sit there and talk about, wow, what we learned that day was going to revolutionize how Maintainer operated as a company. It'll allow our shop floor to have increased speed, accuracy, and when we find an error, we are able to fix that error one time and it's fixed forever, as opposed to the system that we have right now is continually evolving error problems. We will bring our current operations of an average 1 to 4 weeks down to less than 10 minutes. Our sales and our sales documentation will be completely customized, and it will be accessible to the customer in less than a minute after configuration results have been completed. This will greatly change how Maintainer operates daily business, and that is cool.